Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix I can't search on TikTok. First of all, open your settings app. Next, scroll down a bit and you can find your apps option in here. So tap on it. Then click on this manage apps option in here. Now you can find your TikTok app among them and click on it. So finally you need to clear your app data and cache by clicking this clear data option and clear cache option in here. After clicking clear cache, give OK to this pop-up message. Now you need to log into your TikTok app. So then you can try to search someone again. So it must work now. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.